Siganye mvirizo mpamvu naye obusiba mwatuno nyuma. Long lasting and so washable, easy to style.
Right, yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, this is a new trending hairstyle. It is very, very protective. And I can always recommend to those, like to all hair type. If you have natural hair, straight lax hair, you can always do this hair. Though I would prefer like mostly to those with you should be having like the side hairline, at least even if the one in front is broken, but once you have the side hairline, this hair will always be perfect for you. And again, it is protective for your weak hairline. And again, this hairstyle I really recommend it to those ones who have no time for the hair. Yes, I have good friends who be like, if choose for me a hairstyle that is stress-free, just waking up and go. No need to arrange or maybe combing, styling, all that kind of stuff. But this one, you just have to wake up and you got to go. So it is called a Mean Bohem, and of course we are using the spring twist. Yes, those ones who know it, please, you can use it and achieve these hairstyles. So you are using the spring twist hair extension and to achieve this. So after it all, we always have to add in the anti-itchy oil, since it is going to be held puff. But now when you're trying to hold a puff, I always want you guys to be very careful, because the puff is something like, it sounds simple like holding a puff, but we always have to be gentle in the way that it does not bring tension. And again, since it's something that is going to last long, and it's going to last in a puff way, so we have to make sure that we tie it very, very well. As in, if she wants to add in the oil, she just have to and remove it, and then we add in the oil. So this is how it is. Let's see, and please, I want you to rate from 1 to 100. And again, if you have any question that you need to ask, please do write in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you. So let's see how this is going to look like.
Buno video bulungi bulina kawuka ku mutwe. Siganye mvirizo mpamvu naye obusiba mwatuno nyuma. Long lasting and so washable, easy to style. Wobozetaze wozisange kuweyo zipa. Muwe jankika
This is our puff, and I make sure that I just release like those ones that I feel maybe they're tight. So we release them until you can also ask if she tries to, where she feels like maybe there's stretching and tension, and then we'll be okay. So I guess she's confirming there is nothing. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove this top hair because it is not that curly. The curls are not giving the way we need, so we just have to cut it off. Okay, and I think some of you would also just wanted this one, you leave it, but this time around we're just going to continue with our hair styling. So this is how it is. I'm removing it all, and again, so I just have to remain with some volume so that we add on our extension. So this is how it is, and trust me, I made this hairstyle like to those people who love doing the straws. Okay, yes, the natural hair lovers, when you do the straws and then you have to slick the side hair, you have seen those people, then you find the curls on top, I'm sorry about the way I'm breathing, but it's just my breath is not okay. I'm asthmatic, so sometimes when I have these things, this is how it's happened. But I believe you can hear what I'm trying to say. So now, after it all, we're just going to start crocheting here in front, because since we have pulled all our hair, and this is now the part where we have to crochet here in front. So let's go through and see how it is going to look like.
Tolina chongamba, number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi, hima run them. Ujembi bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongaba. Clippers fire, yeah. Oh na na, Tolina, Tolina chongamba, 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 Tolina, yeah 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 yeah. Master Morris. Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah.
Now, more of these and the maintenance. And of course, I'm just going to tell you some. You have to have the most. Yes, now the most you have to put it all over in the way that maybe sometimes when you're going to sleep, you can put here on the other side, and then you do it this way. And after it all, then you can wrap it with any ribbon. You can wrap it and then you sleep. So in the morning, you will wake up when it is all flat, and then yes, that's the only way you can maintain this hair. So for now, this is what I got for you. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and really I'm very sorry about the way I'm talking, but hope you have you had everything. So this is what I used, and may the Lord bless you all, guys. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
Crochet master, the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, no, 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 no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good.